Ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks, spreadsheets, and project management tools, feeling like a circus juggler with too many balls in the air? Imagine a world where your project management tool seamlessly connects with your go-to spreadsheet software, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the question, does Wrike integrate with Excel? Part 1. Understanding Wrike and Excel. Wrike, a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate, organize tasks, and track progress. Excel, a versatile spreadsheet software used for data analysis, calculations, and visualization. Part 2. The importance of integration. Efficiency. Streamline workflows by eliminating manual data transfer. Accuracy. Reduce the risk of human errors by automating data synchronization. Collaboration. Improve teamwork by centralizing information in one place. Part 3. Wrike and Excel integration. A deep dive. Direct integration. Explore whether Wrike offers a native integration with Excel. Third-party tools. Discuss popular third-party apps that can bridge the gap between Wrike and Excel. API integration. Explain how developers can create custom integrations using Wrike's API. Part 4. Key features of Wrike Excel integration. Data synchronization. How does the integration handle real-time updates between Wrike and Excel? Task management. Can you create, assign, and track tasks directly from Excel? Reporting. How can you generate reports and visualizations based on Wrike data in Excel? Customization. Can you tailor the integration to your specific needs and workflows? Part 5. Practical use cases. Project planning. How can the integration help you plan and manage complex projects? Resource allocation. How can you effectively allocate resources based on Wrike data in Excel? Time tracking. Can you track time spent on tasks in Wrike and analyze it in Excel? Financial management. How can you integrate financial data from Excel into Wrike for better budgeting and reporting? Part 6. Benefits and challenges. Advantages. Highlight the key benefits of using Wrike and Excel together. Disadvantages. Discuss potential challenges or limitations of the integration. Part 7. Getting started with Wrike Excel integration. Step-by-step guide. Provide clear instructions on how to set up the integration. Tips and tricks. Offer helpful advice for maximizing the benefits of the integration. Part 8. Alternatives to Wrike Excel integration. Other project management tools. Briefly mention alternative tools that integrate with Excel. Comparison. Compare the features and benefits of different options. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try the integration and share their experiences. Closing statement. End the video with a strong and memorable statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your projects organized and your spreadsheets synced.